Hello everybody, this is Lucas here at MarineMax, Lake the Ozarks. I am showing you today the 2025 Harris Grand Mariner 250. Beautiful white exterior. You're going to have the color matching white tower as well. The new RPM chassis. Walking along the side here, getting back to the back of the boat here. You will see the safety rails that also hold your bumpers for you. The new lily pad ladder that's really easy to use. This Grand Mariner is paired with the Mercury 400 horsepower engine. The boat is currently set up in the forward lounging position. These seats in the back are multi-positional. This is the dual helm. You got your captain's and co-captain's chair. Beautiful dual Simrad screen. This one is paired with the joystick system. Give us a call and talk more about that. Pillow top seating. Elegant diamond stitching. Massive center tune storage in here. All the bumpers are in there currently. The Grand Mariner is elegant with wooden inlays. This one has the upgraded package, the JL audio as well. Your co-captain even has their own helm with their own charging station. Again, my name is Lucas. This is the 2025 Harris Grand Mariner 250. Come check it out today.